Hi everyone, I'm Chanel and I am back with two Traveller's Notebook journals that I have finished that will be going on my Etsy shop later on today. And I just love the way that these have come out. Wanting to get them done in time so that you can get them for Christmas. So these are the two that will be listing today. I think actually I've got another two as well. So this is now I did 1 and 2 yesterday. This is 3 and 4. So instead of giving them names, they will be numbered on my Etsy shop. So this is 3 and 4. They are Traveller's Notebook size journals, and they're approximately 4 by 8 inches. So let me show you inside of them. Now this is just on cardstock, absolutely gorgeous. Some lace underneath here, and then I've sewn around the image, and then Mod Podged so that she stays lovely like that. Look at the lovely pusscat, look just how beautiful. And then I have some vintage lace covering up the signature there, and then we have some organza ribbon for the enclosure, and we do have lace on some of the pages. So if we go inside, now this is a journal kit from Artie Mays, and some of the ephemeras, and there's other ephemera as well. Some is from Pinterest and other places, the Old Design Shop, Tsunami Rose. There's a whole multitude of ephemera in here, and this is a book plate of mine that I designed and is on my Etsy shop. So we have some lovely ephemera here. This is from the kit, and then we have this tag in the pocket there, and this is just beautiful. Look at the gorgeous sunflowers, and I have put some lovely lace on the edge there. And then we have one of the fairies and some more gorgeous lace. I love this. I actually picked this up from my scrap store. It was just a little tiny bit that I think I managed to get a couple of pages out, but look how beautiful that lace is. Then we have a little pocket here, and there is journaling space inside this mason jar, but I'm not going to do the bow because look, I managed to get it looking very pretty. It is on coffee dyed paper. Some pages are not coffee dyed, but majority of them are. Then here I have a glassine bag, and what I've done, in fact what I need to do, and I haven't done it yet, and this is why a flip through is good. What I've done, let me just fix this while I have it in front of me. Let me just put a little bit of ribbon on this, because we don't want it plain, do we? This is why these flip throughs are fantastic, because you know, there are bits that you miss, and it gives you a chance to correct that. So what we've got here, we do have a glassine bag with a lovely sunflower image, and this is just some coffee dyed paper that you can pull out and journal on, and that just slips in the pocket there. And we now have a paper clip with a little bit of organza ribbon there. And then we have some lovely floral book pages, a doily, some more of the kit, and then I have just a scalloped flower which matches the front, and some more ephemera. That is an actual vintage stamp on there. I try where I can to put my vintage stamps on there. And on this side we have one of the fabric tiffin pockets, and that's from the Old Design Shop, and I think that might be as well. And then we have this nice lovely vellum, which I thought went really well excuse me, with the kit. We have some book music page, vintage music paper, another pocket, and this is just I used my craft scissors to create a pocket with the same cardstock, and just put a lovely applique flower and a bit of ephemera on there. And then we have some more ephemera in the pocket, and of course some more little pussycats. And then we have some grid paper, coffee dyed, some more of the kit, and some more ephemera in here. And this just opens out. So we've got quite a bit of journaling space in there. This is a Project Life card. That's the middle of the signature. And then here I have some lovely fabric and a beautiful flower. And then this is one of my vintage photos that I copied. I just love that image of it. And this was a paper pad, but it had postcards on it, and I have put another vintage stamp in there, on there I should say. Lots more journaling space. A tag. This is Tracy Fox Designs, and another little cat there. And then I've just scalloped some more of that cardstock and put an applique flower there on some ruffled fabric. Stenciled on some of the pages. And these are from the kit, so you've got some lovely pockets in there, and then some more spaces to journal. And that vellum is kind of goes in different colours, so look at it, it's like purple this side and green the other. Then this is one of the book page pockets, and we've just got another little cat and a couple of little tickets there. And what we should do while we're here is take that off and put a little bit of doesn't take long too. And then what we'll do is we'll just put that back on the page. More journaling space. Another image of a lovely cat, and it says, the little mouse says, "Are you waiting for me?" And in here we have another one of these pull out pieces for you to journal on. And then on the back page you have a double pocket, so you've got space here, and you've got a gorgeous tag, and that's from Artie Mays. So lots of tuck spots and pockets, and if nobody buys this, I'm going to keep this for myself because of the cats. I really love how this one came out, actually. I was determined to use that image that's on the front and make a journal with it because I just loved it. It was actually off an old disc. I had a craft disc that had lots of Victorian images, and I just thought, oh my goodness mate, love it. So that's number 3, journal number 3. Now this is number 4, and it is a bit more chunkier, this one. And oh my goodness me, I don't do purple, really don't. It's not a colour, purples, lilacs, it's not really a colour. Colours that I do, let me just pop that behind there. But I'm loving it, loving it. There's lots of purples in this cardstock, and I just think it came out lovely. Just love it. I mean, the more I put more purple on, the more I liked it, actually. But yes, love it. Love this image. She's been Mod Podged and sewn on to the front cover. Then we've got this lovely lace covering the signatures. And then this again was just a scrap piece that I picked up from somewhere. Wish I had more of it actually, because I love it. And then we have some lovely lilac satin ribbon, and there's lots of bead dangles on this one. We've put little bead dangles on here, and this one is a bit chunky, so I'm not sure how many pages this one has, whether it's just all the bits and pieces. Let me quickly count. Right, this one actually has 38, so nearly 38, 36, 76 pages in here. So this one is a lot bigger. It's a bit more chunkier. It has a lot more pockets and things, and it is filled to the brim, as you can see. It's quite a chunky monkey. So let's turn over and have a look. We have our book plate cover, and a tag, and this is just opens out, and you've got journaling space there. Use this lovely purple frill lace. I just love it, absolutely love it, which I've sewn on the page. And I've done a tuck spot pocket with some cardstock, put a little bit of braids there. And then we have, this is Artie May's, I'm not sure where this one's from, but I like this 1962 library card. And then we've done some stenciling, lots of places to write in this one. Just love the pages on here. And this is more of a travel journal. And then we have a scalloped circle, which matches the front, with some more ephemera in here. And then I have a glassine bag, and it's just got a pull-out Jane Austen cards there. Coffee dyed paper. More of the gorgeous kit. Then I've just scalloped a corner here and put some collage in and a flower there, and more journaling space. So lots of journaling space in here. And then some good paper, some old music paper, and I've turned that into a pocket there. And we've just got, I was actually gifted this, and this was from I think it was a card kit. Nice little pocket there. And then one of the fairies, and that's got a lace trim, and another pocket there with some more fold out ephemera. The letter from 1892, a receipt, fabric and crochet, the French one, and a lovely journaling cards there. I've also put some fabric. I'm trying to put more fabric in my journals. We have an old map, not an old map, but a map there, and this lovely tag and some more ephemera. Then the middle of the signature. Then in here I have one of my glassine bags that has this gorgeous image. I haven't got anything in the bag. You can put something in there. And some ruffle. And this is an envelope. I don't think I've put anything in it. I think I've left it. Oh, it's not an envelope. It's like a pull-out thing that you can write on. You could seal it as an envelope, but I quite like the pull-out effect of it. I'll just tuck that in there. More journaling space. Some more fabric on here, and one of those tags, and some ephemera, a little postcard. I think that might be Tim Holtz. And then in here I have this lovely applique and collaged, and this is just a little button card with some little vintage buttons, and this is a flip out. Now there's nothing in there, it's just like a little pocket for you to hide something in there, and then we'll just pop that like that. And then we've got more grid paper, writing space, and then this opens out. I'm not going to undo it, but this opens out. It's one of those just coffee dyed paper, and it opens out a couple of times for you to write on, and some fabric there. Then I have one of my lovely little pockets. Well, they're not my little pockets. I mean, it's Patricia Viramonte's pocket, but I've actually put a little charm on there, and I've just collaged. This is very old vintage lace on here. This was really, really old. It was just a little scrap piece, but oh my gosh, you could just tell how old it is, and a little flower. And this has just got a little thing in here. Flowers always make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul. Luther Burbank. And then we have some more ephemera here. Another one of those tags. Another little pocket in the back of this glassine bag, and this just says hello, and it's gold, and I just liked it. It's not very shabby chic, but I do like it. And some lovely lace on there. Oh, we've missed a page. There's another page there, been stenciled on. And then another scallop pocket with a little ticket, and some more ephemera in here. And then a book page pocket here with a little tuck spot with a couple of little pieces of ephemera again. And then here we have a tag, and it's just got a fabric tab on there, and I've put some coffee dyed paper on the other side. And then at the back we have one of them fabric pockets and a tag that I designed. So it can come out quite cute actually. And a little Project Life card there. So that is that one. Just loving that one as well. They all come out so gorgeous. So they will be on my Etsy shop later on today. I've just got to do the listings. So there will be a link below if you're interested in purchasing any of my journals. I have 4 up at the moment, and there will be another couple going up later today. So thank you for watching. I hope you're all well, and I will see you all very, very soon. Have a lovely day, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.